What's up everybody, Black Dragon Rider here. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing alright. Hope you guys are doing fine. At the moment I am happy, I'm really happy. I'm happy because my bike has passed its MOT for the first time, but a bit of minor faults. So when I get home I need to sort out some few stuff on my bike. So the minor faults is that my rear chain is a little bit tight, so I need to go home and loosen it a bit. I know it was a bit tight, but I was not sure. The other bit is my exhaust. I could have just used my my old exhaust on the original from the Sinnis Apache, but it got stolen, so I couldn't really much really, because it got stolen, because I would have put the original exhaust on. So I need to sort that out. But my mechanic turned around and said that what you could do with the link pipe, because the link pipe was loose or broken, because you don't know, because I wrapped it around in taped foil. So it says if you can just find a welder just to, you know, weld it up, you know, it would have been fine. You got yourself a perfect linked exhaust right there. But I didn't think about it. I didn't think. So when he said that, I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know why I never thought of that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to save up some money. I know there's a welder in my hometown, so all I gotta do is just go to the guy and say, hey, can you want this on? How much it costs? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get it welded, so at least that way that I know that it's secure, it stays on, and yeah, it works fine. But too bad I don't know anybody that do welding, because I would ask them to just, hey, can you weld it on? And you know, that's it. Well, I have no one to do it, so there's only one place in town, and I know it is. Like, I always walk past his workplace, and every time he sees me, like on foot, we just nodded. Don't know why. I don't know the guy, but we just nodded. And we always after we've been nodding, when we do like, well, when he sees me like a couple of times, we're like, I'm like, oh, right, yeah, right. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm gonna go to his shop and ask him to get welded. And if it's good, it'll be great. So yes, I'm glad that Rex has passed his first MOT. His first. So happy. Now I have to wait a couple of months until insurance, because I got to pay for my insurance. So I already mentioned it in the other video. I should have stopped saving ages ago, but I didn't. So hopefully I get a phone call from this job to say, yeah, can you start on this day? Yes I will. Yes I will. So yeah, hopefully. So I got a bit I'd like to talk about, or something, is people losing their anger and start punching stuff or breaking their stuff to the point where that they have to buy themselves a new equipment. I know there are people who's got bad tempered. I know there are people that are really stressed out of life, pissed off at work, the way they get treated, and they get to the point where they just feel like they just want to punch someone in the face, but they're not punching anybody in the face because they're going to get in trouble. Sometimes there are people out there that rather take their anger out on someone. I mean, if I get angry, I'd rather punch a brick wall. Punch a brick wall. Wooden board will be good, because I always punch them on wooden board. No, I mean not on full-on blast to the point where you shatter one of your bones or dislocated one of your bones. I'm not that stupid. I'm really not that stupid. I'd rather have a punching bag. But the problem is, I don't own a punching bag, and second, I got no space for a punching bag, and it's almost a little bit frustrating. But I try my best to chill out. Well, that's one word that you want to avoid, is when people get really pissed off or get angry, say, oh, you need to chill out, or you need to cool your jets. When someone's angry, I'd rather avoid that word as much as possible, even making them more pissed off. It's sort of like a hostage negotiation. It's certain words that you don't say to the hostage negotiation. They say, well, see what we can do. See what we can do. But if someone is pissed off, just try avoid saying cool your jets, or you need to calm down. Try to avoid certain words. And that's what really annoys me even more, is when someone is calm and there's someone else jumping in and make things worse. That really pisses me off. If you've got things under control, someone comes along and made the situation worse, and they're blaming you, that's half the time that some people will blame me for that. That really pissed me off. I mean, everything was alright until you come along and you made the situation worse. I don't know why that when you got the situation under control, someone just come along and thinks, oh, I can do better than you. It's like, no, this is not the time to show who is better on sorting out the situation. But there's always has to be one asshole that decided to fuck things up when you got this situation under control. Because I remember, like, one time when I was out drinking, well, actually more than one time actually, where there was a situation of a fight broke out in town. This was in in a nightclub, no, nightclub and bar, and basically I try to stop the fight, and this woman came along and made the situation worse, and she was kicking off at this guy, blah blah blah, and I said, can somebody get this woman, because she's making the situation worse. And literally not a lot of people try to like get away from from this guy, but she made things really difficult to the point where there was actually really is a fight. And technically I blame the woman because I had the situation under control until she came along. And there's one time where I definitely got this other situation. I had the situation under control on the second time when another fight broke out, the situation, and there was no fights. There was no fights whatsoever. I avoided words that would probably piss off some people, like saying calm down and need to relax. I didn't shout it, didn't yell, like being very careful what I had to say, and I'm really glad that I managed to sort the situation out. I was really happy that I managed to sort the situation out, but it's just the fact that just some people thinking that they can do 10 times better. What's even worse is the women, actually. The women thinking that they can do better than you, like it's just stupid. Amount of times there's a certain situation where I didn't bother sorting out the situation, where people get angry, get pissed off, and I just said to myself, you know what, I'm not gonna bother, I'm not gonna bother to do anything. I'm just gonna, you know, sit down and drink my beer. And I seen some women who come in thinking that they can do better, where one guy got everything under control until a woman comes along thinking that she could do it better, and it's just like, just shaking my head going, no, just let the guy handle it, and she just made the situation worse. I guess I'm going off to a different topic. I'm always like that. Every time I talk about something, there's another topic I'm talking about. Gosh, but I'm like, but let's get back to, as I was saying, like, when I get angry or really get pissed off at someone, obviously the first thing you do is walk away. You walk away and, you know, try to calm down. But the problem with people is, also the same thing with women, that they follow the person, and if you are out around town and you walk away and someone is following you, giving you this all the time, and you're walking away, no one doesn't even bother stopping this person, say, hey, I think you need to leave him alone. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me that some people get some uppercuts or punch to the face. But yeah, if I do get stressed out or get really angry, I have two things I could do is one, punch the board, or two, go to the gym and just do weightlifting or just do training. That's my two options right there to just chill out and release that stress. I think that's it. That's the only way for me to just release that stress is to be on the punching bag or go to the gym. That's the only thing that I can literally can do, because where things is actually going now and family, well, I can't really talk about it much because at the moment my family is having a dislike, and for some reason I'm in the middle of the crossfire. Amazing it. It's amazing how I managed to get in the middle of the crossfire, even though you tried to say, yeah, I don't want anything a part of it. If you've got a problem with someone, put your problems with them, just don't bring me into it. Don't be rude to me, don't be a dick. Well, I guess that someone rather chose to be a dick. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk more of my family, their disputes, because it's really ridiculous and it's really stressing me out. I have enough problems as it is, and I don't really want to be in this stupid family dispute. I know what it is, I know what this is about. So I try my best to be happy. All I want to do is start work, get some good decent money coming in, and move out the shared house and have my own place. Well guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. So let's ask you guys a question. What would you do to release your stress? Is it playing video games? Is it doing boxing, martial arts? Is it meditating, weightlifting? I don't know. I think I ran out of those things. So let me know what you guys do to release your stress. Put all your comments down below. My name is Black Dragon Rider. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.